Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino series. In today's video, we will learn about Arduino and its hardware components. We will begin with the Arduino introduction. What is Arduino? Arduino is a brand, a piece of hardware, a programming language, and an entire ecosystem of products. Broadly speaking, when we talk about Arduino, we are referring to an open source electronic prototyping platform. But what does that mean? Arduino is a little computer you can program to do many things. It can get data from the world by connecting different sensors as input, and it can interact by adding little things like actuators, motors, or LEDs for output. Now we will discuss about Arduino hardware. This is a diagram of Arduino Uno board which shows the typical components placed on it. I will explain you each component functionality in this video. We will begin with the power. Every Arduino board needs a way to be connected to the power source. The Arduino Uno can be powered by three different ways: barrel jack, V-in pin, and USB cable. The barrel jack or DC power jack can be used to power up your Arduino board. The barrel jack is usually connected to the wall adapter. V-in pin. This pin is used to power up the Arduino board using an external power source. USB cable. USB cable port is used to upload code in Arduino board, but it can also be used to power up your Arduino. Ground. These pins are used to ground the circuit. Ground pins are used to close the electrical circuit and provide a common logical reference level throughout your circuit. Always make sure that all the grounds of the Arduino peripherals and components are connected to one another and have a common ground. 5-volt power output pin. 5-volt power output pin provides 5 volt to the circuits and to the sensors we attach. 3.3 volt power input pin. 3.3 volt power input pin can also be used to power up Arduino from an external power source. Analog pins. Analog pins are used for reading analog values from the sensor and convert them into digital values and can be read. In Arduino Uno, there are 6 analog pins labeled as A0 to A5. Digital pins. These pins are for both digital input, reading the state of the switch, and digital output, controlling the LED. In Arduino Uno, there are 14 digital pins as D0 to D13. PWM pins. You may have noticed the tilde next to the sum of the digital pins, which are 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11 on Arduino Uno. These pins act as a normal digital pin but can also be used for something called pulse width modulation. They are used as analog output if like fading an LED in and out. RxTX pins. These are serial communication pins used to communicate with other Arduino board as well as computers. Reset switch. This button is used to restart the code that is loaded on the Arduino. Power indicator LED. This LED should light up whenever you plug in your Arduino into a power source. If this light does not turn on, there is a good chance of something is wrong. RxTX LEDs. These LEDs will give you some nice visual indication whenever your Arduino is receiving or transmitting data on receiver and transmitter pins. Pin 13 LED. Arduino Uno has an inbuilt LED connected to digital pin number 13. Whenever the pin is high, LED lights up, and whenever it is low, LED is off. Here is the end of Arduino Uno hardware detail. You have to remember these terminology. We will use these many times in upcoming lessons. If you have any question, write in the comment section. This is all for today. In next video, we will learn about Arduino, IDE, and Arduino programming. Thank you.